drug for the treatment of severe epilepsy in children.
It's a really controversial issue, and some families have already been using these types of drugs for years in spite of the legal consequences they might face. NBC's Stephanie Goss joins us more with this story. Steph, good morning.
Hey, Savannah, good morning. So imagine you're the parents of a very sick child and you find a treatment, stumble upon it really, that helps your child significantly, but your doctor can't prescribe it and the federal government says it's illegal. That's how a lot of families discover CBD, which is an extract of the cannabis plant. We met a couple in Indiana with a 2-year-old suffering from severe epilepsy. They gave her CBD. She improved almost immediately, and then the state threatened to take their daughter away. This video of Jayla Turger at 14 months is tough to watch. It's just one of the roughly 30 seizures she has a day.
Every time she has a seizure, to me it's like watching part of her life slip away.
You feel a little helpless in that moment. Helpless doesn't begin to describe it.
The Turgers say the drug their doctor prescribed didn't work, so they turned to the internet and found something called CBD oil, an extract from the cannabis plant.
We were trying anything and everything we could to be able to treat her with the seizures.
They came across the 2013 story of Charlotte Figge, who suffered from severe epilepsy and went through a miracle transformation after taking CBD oil. The Turgers were hoping for their own miracle, and they got it.
Ready? It worked. How fast?
Like within the first week.
That's when Child Protective Services knocked on the door.
What were they going to do?
They were going to take her.
They were going to take her.
The Turgers say the state insisted Jayla use the prescribed drug. When the story went public, Indiana's Attorney General wrote this: products or substances containing CBD remain unlawful in Indiana, as well as under federal law. State officials declined to comment, citing pending litigation. The couple bought their CBD online from the Stanley brothers. Their Colorado farm grows a form of cannabis with a high concentration of CBD and very little of the stuff that gets you high.
The way my little brother Jordan puts it is, you could smoke a joint the size of a telephone pole with this and not get high.
These plants and their products are all legal in their state, one of many across the country that has changed their laws about marijuana and CBD. But the federal government still classifies CBD as a controlled substance, and researchers tell us those federal laws are making it difficult to study the benefits.
Countless thousands of families collectively tell us that we should be paying a lot of attention to the potential therapeutic benefit of CBD.
How much research still needs to be done on CBD?
I think there is limitless potential in lots of different areas.
Meanwhile, the Turgers are left in limbo. When we met them, the state had dropped its threats of taking Jayla away and was considering a new CBD law.
It is the hardest thing I've ever had to do.
I did a tour in Iraq, and this is harder.
I
And
feel like we're fighting for our lives.
The day after we met the Turgers, the state of Indiana actually approved a new law for CBD, allowing them to give Jayla the drug, but the federal government still says it's illegal. And now the FDA is on the cusp of approving a pharmaceutical, which would be a pure form of CBD in a pill form. But what the Turgers are giving their child and lots of other products like it on the market are still considered illegal. Guys, you can imagine how much confusion this is creating out there. Back to you.
What an important story, though, Stephanie. Thank you for drawing our attention to it. Appreciate it.